Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Hemrick and I'm the founder and managing partner at Hemrick O'Malley PLLC. Today I'd like to talk about a little known and little used visa called the H-3 visa. This is a visa that's specifically for trainees. We have used these visas in the past for people that didn't make it through the H-1B lottery. Of course, it is limited because of the requirements to establish qualification for an H-3 visa. The requirements are basically that the beneficiary, that is the person who needs the visa, is going to receive training that is unavailable in the home country. Additionally, we need to show that there's value in obtaining this training for career preparation abroad. We have had a lot of success with these visas, although we do use them sparingly. Just yesterday, we received an approval with no request for evidence. The case was received at USCIS on Friday, approved on Monday. So even though it's 3 days, it's really a one-day approval. Now, what was this case about? This case was for a young woman who has a master's degree, and she is working for a nonprofit organization in the United States in their finance department, doing accounting type work. She had been working on OPT, optional practical training. Unfortunately, she was not selected in the H-1B lottery, so we had to find a new strategy, and the strategy we found was this H-3 visa. We established that there is a specific way that nonprofits do accounting in the United States, and that this would be valuable upon her return to China because China was not really utilizing the same systems and processes in order to provide evidence of the unavailability of this training and that it is valuable for her career trajectory in China. We obtained letters from experts in the field in China as evidence in support of her case. From the employer's side, we needed to obtain a training program. So we highlighted specific phases of training, each a few months in time, because the total length we requested was 18 months for this H-3 visa, and explained what exactly she was going to be obtaining training in, how she was going to learn that, meaning who's teaching her, what resources are being used to teach her this information. And of course, we had to demonstrate that this truly is a training program. She's not being treated as an employee, but as a trainee. We've had H-3 visas in a variety of industries. We've had them for architects, we've had them for project managers in construction, for people in the legal industry, for financial services. As long as you can find a niche area of training that is unavailable in the home country and would have value upon return, the H-3 visa may be a possibility. Some good things about the H-3 versus the H-1B. First of all, there's no requirement for any specific type of degree. You don't need a bachelor's degree. You don't need a master's degree. You just need to have a training program available for training that is not available in the beneficiary's home country. Second, you can file an H-3 visa at any time of the year. There's no registration for a lottery. There's no cap on the number of visas that can be approved. So it does offer flexibility that the H-1B visa does not. That being said, it typically lasts for less time than an H-1B visa. If you have questions about this or any other immigration matter, give us a call at 833-848-7838 or check us out online at www.hemrick.law.